up guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a how to ride video, and in this video I'm basically just going to be showing you how I learnt to ride as a beginner more than what other people are saying. This is how I personally learnt, so if it's wrong for you then it's wrong for you, but this is how I learnt. Now this is the bike as you've seen in the other videos. Go check out the other videos to show some love over there. I do show an unboxing and a review video. I also do another riding video, but it was kind of short. And this bike is actually amazing for quality, runs really well still, and the only problem I have had with it is when there was a bit of fluff from the factory got in the carb and went into the pilot jet and basically started bogging on me, and I took it apart, took the carb off, realised that it was one pipe that was kind of meant to be rotated, so we rotated that back, cleaned the fluff out, and it runs perfect, even better than before now. So if your bike does start to bog, I would definitely check the carb, and that's normally the problem, the pilot jets. So you've moved the bike outside. The weather is shocking as it's close to Christmas time, winter, and UK in general. And yeah, let's quickly get to the tripod. Once you get your bike, just learn the controls of it, learn the weight of it, and you'll slowly build up that confidence of actually moving your bike, riding your bike, and doing pretty much anything with your bike. Jumping it, wheeling it, you'll pretty much learn the grips of that. Now this is said in most videos if you watch them on YouTube, but let's just go over it again. Front brake is the one on the right, clutch is the one on the left. My choke is actually on next to the clutch, but some people you do have to flick on the carb. You can push something or twist something. That's on a different variant of bikes. Grips, throttle, one won't move, one will. So I have an electric start on this and a kill switch. So electric start, kill switch, normally is on the left, but can be on different sides. And fuel cap, obviously, remember that, make sure that's on, breathers out. Kick start here. If you don't have an electric start, then you'll have to use a kick start, but obviously vice versa. Rear brake is, you can't see right now, but it's a pedal just on the other side, and this is the gear shifter. And yeah, I think we're caught up with the learning of the bike. Go ahead and start her up for you. Now we've got the bike warmed up, I will try to do a comparison of what you need to do on each hand. So on the left hand, pull in the clutch, shift into first, and slowly ease it out, just till you get that biting point where you start to move. You'll hear the rev start to drop, and pull it back in. Slowly, see it start to move, revs drop, and put it down. Just keep practicing this, because then you'll find out the biting point and the way you need to shift. It'll make it a lot easier. Now once you have warmed the bike, we're going to put all the steps together, and this is how it will go. Learn that, you're off. But you're in first gear and you can do it. Now what we'll do now, I'll just do it a few times so you can learn the movement of the bike and also how the revs work. you how my hand looks when I let the clutch out. Starting to get dark now, so see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed and hope you learned something out of this video and it was more educating to you, and now you know how to ride a bike. And as I say again, this is how I learned. I haven't really, some videos I've watched say different, but this is how I learned, so hopefully it can help you ride and learn the grips of a bike. The reason I didn't upload was because around that time, well, 3 to 4 weeks ago, I was doing schoolwork and kind of going through the COVID situations that at school and all that stuff. So I didn't film videos up until now. So now I'm starting back after Christmas and roll on the new videos. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a very good Christmas, and all the people who want bikes, hope you get bikes. Alright, next video. See ya.